Hi Fancy fans, welcome back to Flights of Fancy. I'm Sarah and today we're back doing another Insp-O-Tainment video. I did my fingernail polish today, which it is already chipped away because I used some really thick but very cool gold colored flakies and they're just annoyingly bumpy, so I picked them all off. So they look terrible right now, but in the photos when I did them fresh they look really fun. I just got a little box collection of different glitters in different colors and shapes and sizes. Hi Biwa! This is Biwa, my dad's dog. He's a good girl. Anyway, so I hope that's entertaining. It's not, I'm not a fingernail polish YouTuber professional person, so they're, I would say they're more craftsy than practical. But what is it? So enjoy that video. It was just kind of for funsies. I just wanted to have my nails painted so that when I'm doing crafts on video, my nails don't look like a terrible mess from life. But unfortunately, they still look like a terrible mess because I picked them after I did them. Hopefully it's an entertaining video, and I hope you're inspired to have fun in whatever kind of crafts you choose to do. And watch out for that glitter, because it can get away from you. You know how glitter is. Anyways, have fun and enjoy.
Okay, first things first is we're going to go ahead and put on the base coat, and that helps the regular nail polish last longer and adhere better to your nails. Very important beauty guru step. And let it dry. And now I've picked out an array of fun colors, and I haven't decided quite what to do yet, but I think I'm going to have some accent nails, and I think they're all just the accent nails. So I've got 2 greens on this hand and 3 greens on the other hand. We're just kind of experimenting here. So I did 2 coats of each of these colors because they're not super high quality. They're just some drugstore nail polishes. And get my right hand with my left hand. That's always the trick. And here we are with the glitters. So we have this regular gold one, a gold flaky one, and 2 fine green ones, and a dark green and a light green. It came off kind of bluish in this light. So first I tried using a paintbrush to apply these gold flakies, and that kind of worked. I kind of tried to press them down a little bit without getting black on them. That was a trick. Oh, I got a blob on my pinky. Oh, I didn't have a paper towel. Always have a paper towel or something. So then I tried using the paintbrush to sprinkle on the fine powders to that nail. And here we'll zoom in to show the technique. Not a whole lot of glitter gets picked up with the paintbrush, but that's okay because then you can kind of control how much or how little you have, and maybe you could do a gradient or something if you were really patient. And I used a clear nail polish to put a sort of, I wouldn't call it a French tip, it's like a thick half glittery gold layer. And then I just went ahead and dipped it in the glitter. That just kind of made it pretty thick with glitter, but it was a fun try. And trying a little bit something different on each nail. Do my right hand pretty quick here because it's out of frame a little bit. Okay, so I'm trying the gold flaky thing again. And this was a fun technique, but the gold flakies were such a thick glitter that they didn't bend to the shape of my fingernail. And so the corners would stick out weird, and I tried putting like on 3 coats of quick dry top coat, but it wasn't enough and it was too annoying to not pick. And here I am putting in the top coat. That's very important because it helps it dry, keeps everything smooth and shiny, and like me, if you're working with glitters, it sort of fills in the gaps between the glitters, makes your nail nice and smooth. Except of course if you have the ultra thick flakies. But yeah, here's how it came out. It was super fun, and I would do sort of a more singular look time, but I was just experimenting with it and pretty pleased with how it came out. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe for more Insp-O-Tainment just like this, and we'll catch you next time.